We at Home Depot trying to get things together for this little car wash. Trying to find this little connector piece. Excuse me. Got my dog with me. He's in the Home Depot. I'm sorry, don't hit me. I'm sorry. Hey, over there. That thing over there. I should have updated y'all, man. We got a whole new business going up. But I got y'all on the next bit. Let me show y'all the truck. Little setup, you know. Got the little baby power washer. Big tank. Big tank, you know. Baby little shop vac. Buy some rags and stuff. We just hit Home Depot. Time to get the money. Time to get the money. All the bags in the bin. Update. We got the tank strapped down. Now we gotta keep it in place.
One of them new hook, and you just screw it here, so. Right this so.
You gotta hook up the inverter. And we big chillin'. Big chillin'. It's good to me.
Oh, give me the stuff for the inverter.
That's the only thing we gotta do. Hook up the inverter and we Gucci. We Gucci. What type of fancy thing is this? That's one battery?
So you gotta pull off.
Pull off the terminal then. So you'll get what size it looks like. You don't do those, right?
What's that?
Treat me like a wanted man. No videos. No
Yeah.
pictures. Huh?
I'm not putting you in the picture, in the video. It's just what you doing.
The connection big enough?
Yeah.
Warren say treat him like a wanted man. He not like Puff Daddy all in the videos. Look at me, look at me.
Now when you hear them lyrics, you know where it came from, right?
I don't like how this thing is set up.
Ain't nothing wrong with that, but you understand? For who don't know that, you understand me? What that is, the different colors. Yeah, that's why I want y'all to use that way. I could have used it. I know what time it is. But I'm trying to make the shit, you know?
Oh shit.
Easy and simple for you.
Mm-hmm.
So,
And if I write, this shit got Bluetooth too, you know?
but that's all about to ask you what the hell
Yeah.
Bluetooth what?
No, cause you can hook it up. I make it turn on and do whatever. Look here, you realize that you have you can hook up your phone or whatever down here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I know this shit been secret.
Yeah.
I just ain't never have a reason to use it.
Yeah. So and you see you have other 2 plugs right there, so?
For
Four of them.
So let's see if it works for you.
yeah. Just don't check it
See
out,
if it
David.
works.
Just,
You mean, shit, you gonna check to see if the vacuum working?
I'll take it out for you. Let me hold the camera. So you could be on the camera.
All up in the video.
Come on, Puff Daddy.
Oh, you so tired of it.
We about to see if the damn, what they call this again? Inverter rate. In? What that is? We in business.
Okay, now, turn off the van. No, leave the plug up. Turn off the van. Switch off the van. Leave it off.
Oh
See
yeah,
there?
we still pumping. Oh yeah.
It's doing what it's supposed to do. Turn on the thing.
Hold on. What that mean?
It cut off.
Oh, hold on now. What is doing? It ain't. Yeah, let's turn it up. It look like it ain't. What's going on, man?
No, maybe it need to plug up for a while or something.
I think so too.
And charge up.
Let me see.
I think so. You smell that?
When somebody sneak.
Mm-mm.
I smell when it something I burn up.
You smell it, right?
Smell something. Let me see. Check and see if up there, sir. Jamal, go around there, sir.
Oh, goddamn. Let's see what's going on with the truck.
Feel the wire. Wire feel hot to you or nothing? Or maybe
Warm?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm gonna tell you when you come give you some look wire, may I say.
Well, not like feel the positive wire.
Don't feel warm here.
Or maybe I'm tripping. Maybe I'm feeling them at my own hand. I don't know.
From the engine. Alright, start it back. If I remember right, probably just need to like charge up
type of
like,
thing.
Battery might be in it. We need to, catch it so right? It ain't plugged up for years.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yep.
It works. The van is a success.
Oh, but they need to give me some money, like about $40. I wanna go up the road.
Sheesh.
No, not for this.
Sheesh.
Some cleaning stuff.
Sheesh. Yes, sir. Need 2,500. Gotta clean up now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Took us a little minute, but we got it done. We got it done. We got it done.
So you know they talk about some real.
Here.
Take out the triplet. Turn the screwdriver. So make the thing look easier. Right, this up. Run it through the building, huh?
Keep going.
No, man, catch this one. Okay, the camera now. One screw inside of them screw here. I just can probably loosen up one there. And we just put find a screw or nut and just put it on.
Oh.
That's why I say if you're in a rush, you can go look and see if you find any inside there. You just go get some. So it's like the size of this.
No, but this is not gonna come out because you had to make the hole for it. Feel me?
You want back out. You're not back out right now. You understand me?
Alright, we all done for the day, I guess. Today is a good day. We got everything handled, so bet that, About to go make some plays. I'm hungry. I ain't eaten nothing since this morning. Time to go boot up RTS. You feel me? But yeah, Riacha. Just in case y'all thought we was playing. You feel me? You feel me? Yes, sir. Business cards and everything. So get at me. The Shine Factory. About to blow up.